Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit time on sleep mode on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! To help users spend more time on things that matter to them, Instagram released sleep mode, which shut down all the notification from the app. While user can use their device do not disturb mode to avoid distraction, sleep mode comes with its own distinct feature and perks. And what if you set your sleep mode and you want to change the time periods, the time range on your sleep mode? It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your profile. We tap on our profile on here. As you can see, I'm on my sleep mode. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on time management. You can go to sleep mode. Here you can change the start time, the periods time. Maybe the start time you want to change it to at 10 p.m. You can tap on OK, and the end time until 6 a.m. You can tap on OK, and you can also change or edit the days. Maybe I will set this only for Tuesday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. You can tap on save. So here's your recent sleep mode set. You can change it, you can edit this time anytime you want. It's so simple, right? So that is how to edit sleep mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!